Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae, and today we are doing a collective haul of a little bit of things. They're not super like expensive, but they are not like cheap either. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the things that I purchased this week because I really needed to treat myself because listen, I work hard, okay? Not only am I teaching full-time, I'm basically doing YouTube full-time because I edit, record at least 3-4 times a week, which is a lot of work. And on top of that, I do other side hustles as well to make sure my bank account is always stacked and I'm saving for my future and everything. So this week I decided to treat myself with a little bit of bougie things. They're not like super bougie because I'm not the one to brag, but however, like I said, I work hard, so I played a little bit hard this weekend. All right, so the first items I'm gonna show y'all are from Coach. I went to Coach this weekend, actually went today, and I purchased 2 handbags. These are my first time purchasing Coach bags. I've always had Coach bags, but it was never purchased by me, so I figured why not let me go ahead and get me some Coach bags. Coach is back in style. For a while now, Coach was like out of style, and then it automatically just like came back. I know people are still buying Coach, but a lot of people weren't rocking it anymore because I think Michael Kors came in the way and just like moved Coach to the side. But Coach is back. They have this really cute pillow bag. It's called Pillow Teddy or something that I really went in there for, but they don't have them. It's sold out and they won't be back till fall. But yeah, I'm gonna go back for that in the fall time. Just wait. So here are the 2 bags that I decided to go with. I was really torn between getting a light blue bag or a cream bag, but I figured I'd get some colors that I don't have already. So here is the first bag, the Grain Serena satin bag. It's super cute. I really love how compact both of the bags are. I just think it's really nice. It will make sure that I don't overfill the bag because it's so compact. It has 2 sides, it has 2 zippers. So here you can put like your wallet and stuff. It has the Coach logo on the inside, of course. And then the other one is where the strap is. So I would take the straps out. And it has a lot of space in here. I could fit my phone, I could fit my camera, my vlog camera. I could fit a lot of stuff in here, but I'm gonna make sure that I don't overfill these bags because they're just too cute to be like overfilled, you know? So this is the orange one, and I can make it a crossbody like that. I can do it one shoulder. Or we don't have to use the strap at all. If I were taking pictures, this is how I would hold it. I would put the straps inside because I feel like that's just a little bit more fashionable. It's a look when I do that, but when it's time to carry it, when I'm traveling, I would definitely use it as a crossbody bag. I really like it. It's a really nice color. It's fun. I wear a lot of orange, but believe it or not, I don't have that many orange handbags. I think I only have one, and it's really big. The only other orange bag that I have, this is also from Coach, by the way, but I did not purchase this myself. My little brother got it for me. So yeah, it's a really nice big tote bag from Coach. Very much vacation vibes. The tag is still on it because I've never worn it actually. And this one's called the Band LVS print. And here is the pink one. So the prices on these are on sale for $100. So each of these were $100. They have it in white or cream. They have it in light blue. I didn't want the light blue because again, I just bought a light blue bag from Burlington. I don't want to have too much of the exact same color. I want to have like a range. So this is a hot pink bag. I thought this was very much Barbie. I thought this was very much sophisticated. I thought this was very much I pay my own bills, which I do. So that's why I got this one. And I bought some heels that is gonna match this very well. Again, I have heels that match this, but I just never wore the heels because I don't have a bag to match it. So now that I do have that same exact bag as the orange one, it's just pink. This one was $100. It was on sale. It's originally $328. I got both of them for $100 each, so I spent $200 on 2 purses. Not bad at all. All right, so next we have perfumes, y'all. Y'all know I've started a perfume collection. I'm a woman now. I cannot be rocking body sprays for the rest of my life. I need to have my signature scent linger when I walk past. Body sprays only last for 5 minutes. It's a good refresher, but it's not a real scent. It's not a body scent, you know what I mean? So I picked up 2 perfumes from Rebel. This is a scented or perfume company. I actually watched Kyra or Monique. I don't know if anybody on my channel watches her, but she's awesome. She's cool. But she had these in her recent video, and I really wanted to try this company, and I got 10% off because I used her code. So yeah, this is from Rebel, a scented revolution, and we are going to unbox this bad boy. I'm super excited to unbox this for sure. So the box says, hello gorgeous, ready for sensory overload. And here is the Instagram. It's really, really nice packaging, I must say. I really love when packages are just bomb and to die for. Really, really cute. The foam is a very pretty light pink, which I like. I have to steal that. So this little card just says, hey babe, thank you for being the best part of Rebel. We hope you enjoy your new scent as much as we do. Connect with us and share the love at Rebel Scents XOXO. I definitely will tag them on Instagram so I can get me a shout out. Shoot, maybe I'll become a freaking ambassador or something. So I picked up 2 perfumes. I picked up the Carolina Herrera Good Girl EDP, and then I picked up Prada Candy. All right, so this is the first scent. I have Prada Candy. I have been eyeing this for a very long time. One, for the way that it looks. I just really love the packaging. I just love the name, Candy. I love, love, love sweet scents. That's like my signature scent, is to be sweet. I like warm scents too when it's appropriate for the weather. But yes, this is the first one. And then I have Good Girl by Carolina Herrera, New York. It's good to be bad. Well, ciao. This is very nice. This packaging is really, really unique. This is a suede, so it's very, very soft material. I love the gold detailing on the box. Very cute. Perfect for decor, actually. You know, like this is a good box to like use as decor. It looks very, very nice. Let's go ahead and open these up. So here is the first perfume, you guys. How could I not? I need to get all of them because they have different ones. This is a perfume, but it looks like a high heel and it fits very much glass. I absolutely love this Stiletto heel perfume. I don't know what took me so long to get this. I knew about this for a while. I don't know why it took me so long to get one. Like, I need another one because I know they have another one that's white and or black and what's the color? Black and silver. It just looks so amazing and I cannot wait to rock this. Oh my gosh, we're gonna spray it afterwards. Just give me a second. All right, so next we're gonna open our Prada Candy. Again, the box really sold me, as well as the bottle. So y'all gonna see the bottle right now. All right, my friends, this is the bottle. I mean, come on, how was I gonna say no? It just looks so amazing. It looks expensive. It looks like a rich auntie. Like, oh my gosh, I love every single detail. It says Prada over here. So you're supposed to take this off when you're going to use the perfume and only put this on when you're going to like carry it around. But this is how it looks. I absolutely am in love. Oh my gosh, I just know they're going to smell delicious. This is called Candy by Prada. So freaking cute. So those are the 2 perfumes. I freaking love them. Like, I am so happy that I did this. Like, what took me so long? So the prices of the perfumes were, oh wow, this ship from Miami. That's why it came so fast. It came in like 2 days. I live in West Palm, so oh, since it's local, I'm definitely gonna try to get me a brand deal. Okay, I feel it coming already. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get myself a brand deal on this company because I really can see myself using this long term. Wow, it's just Amazing. So the price of each of them were as follows. I got 2.7 fluid ounces. That's like the bigger box. All right, so the prices of each. This Prada Candy perfume was $69.95. So this was $70. That is not bad for this much perfume name brand. Oh my gosh, such a steal. Again, this was $70. This is a 2.7 fluid ounce perfume. And then the Carolina Herrera Good Girl was $100. This was $99.95. So rounded up, this one was $100. It has a blue tint. They have one that's sparkling black and silver. I'm gonna most likely get that around my birthday time. But yes, this one was $100. Oh my gosh, I'm about to try them both because I watch reviews on perfumes a lot. Y'all, that's just one thing about me. I love watching reviews and I'm like, why am I not getting perfumes if I love to watch people review them? I can't smell it through the screen. Why not get it myself and test it for myself? So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is the Carolina Herrera Good Girl. Oh. That smells like home. It reminds me of like a mother. Gives me a home feel, like when oh my god, that's so, I think this is gonna be like end up being like a sentimental smell because this reminds me of like a home, like a mother, a nurturing smell. It doesn't have that grandma mom smell. It has like a very grown woman smell. Oh, this is gonna be it. This is gonna be like my go-to. Well, let's see what candy smells like. So here is the Prada Candy. I cannot get over this packaging. Like, I need to get my shelves organized in there so I can really organize my beauty room, because that's where these expensive perfumes are gonna go. All my other little body sprays, they can stay in my bathroom, but my real ones, oh yeah, they're going in there. All right, so this is the Prada Candy. I am super excited to smell this. Let me put it on this arm. I love the packaging. Ooh, that really do smells like candy, but it smells like a sexy candy. Is that a thing? Can candy be sexy? But I'm telling y'all, this smells really good. Oh my gosh. And the thing is, when perfume sets on the skin, like on your actual physical skin, that's when the smells really come to life. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, this smells good. I'm wearing that tomorrow for sure. All right, you guys, so that's the end. Oh, those fragrances smell so good. I don't want to take them off. But anyways, yeah.